Aloha. Este es un SUP especial.
His Infinity Blur V2. This is an 8-foot, and this is his preferred because it's good for really any size wave. He's surfed sunset when it's really big on this, as well as smaller waves, and he can do maneuvers but also handle the big waves. And he's had this one for a really long time and surfed big waves last winter and this winter as well on this one.
Alright, that is the start of the Oahu Raptors 2026.
Next one is a 7.7, that's an Infinity, and he also bought that for some of the smaller waves, and he said it has worked really well for him. Both of these small ones he really likes. This one right here is an NSP. It's a 7.2, which he recently bought in Santa Cruz for using on smaller waves, so he can do more radical maneuvers in those small. Here is a larger one. It's an 8.5. He had it made for me so that I can join him on his adventures.
Go on the windy side. If you pick the right wave, I think it's pretty good.